Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device is actually on the Hotspot network and has at least 2 bars of signal. This rules out weak link issues. Once done, turn the hotspot and the client device off, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. This resets the radio. Make sure tethering is allowed in your plan and pause any big downloads or updates on the client. Otherwise, they will eat bandwidth and make the connection slow. Now optimize the path and the wireless settings. Physically move the client closer to the hotspot, removing obstructions, since distance and walls cut throughput. Next, change the hotspot band. Select 5 GHz if both devices support it for faster rates, or 4 GHz for better range. This affects interference and channel congestion. Then reduce the number of connected clients, enable quality of service or data save. Finish with the advanced but quick fixes. Restart the home modem or router if they are involved, then fully reboot the phone providing the hotspot. Updates to firmware or the phone OS can resolve deep bugs. Verify APN and carrier throttle policies if speeds dip after a data threshold, and run a speed test so you have numbers to compare. If problems persist, switch to USB tethering or use a small mobile repeater. Those often bypass wireless interference and give a more stable link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.